Nice and slow.
Where's the blood coming
Eyes blood. A little bit of blood
from? Your
inside.
finger is red.
Yeah.
Why is it all black?
Black.
Oh, the face is black.
From some parts of it. So I'm going to do this differently.
So many blood.
A little bit.
There.
Yeah.
What is that?
I am not sure, but I think it's
Ring.
no, it's what they call the swim bladder. It has like this bag so that it can float or sink in the water. Not like we don't have one.
Oh, it looks like the leaves.
They look like leaves, yeah.
Yeah.
This is how it breathes. Again, called gills. It's amazing.
Well, not amazing.
It's amazing to me. Inside, it's the same.
But it looks like a crocodile died.
Because the crocodiles are, yeah.
It is.
It's amazing. But that's what scientists do. We can take this
Look
apart.
at my eye.
Don't miss in there.
No!
This goes in,
And out.
in and out like that. We do that, but the fish does with its these gills. They go in, out, and that's how it breathes.
Stay out.
Amazing, yeah. But it has to do this because it takes the oxygen from the water. We take oxygen from the air. So we don't have gills, we're not fish.